Hello everyone, welcome to Network Director 1.5 session. My name is Rajesh Padil. I am the Senior Technical Marketing Engineer supporting data center products here at Juniper. This slide shows the evolution of JunoSpace Network Director product. As shown in the slide, the first release of Network Director, which we called as ND 1.0, was released in March 2013. At that point, it was supporting Juniper EX and wireless products. So that was a kind of complete holistic campus management tool. Starting October 2013, we have started supporting physical to virtual network integration. We have also added support for our data center products and also provided a tool to visualize the entire QFabric system, which is nothing but our fabric analyzer, as well as we have added support for ND APIs. So as of today, now the tool has evolved into more data center visualization tool, and in future we will be adding support for SDN integration, as well as we will add additional product supports like MX series. This discussion will focus on what we have today, that is, what are the additional functionalities we have added in ND 1.5. So in terms of the new enhancement, we have added additional configuration profiles for configuring QFabric systems, added support for monitoring and troubleshooting, as well as added some more analytics and trending. Also, we have added support for new platforms like EX9200, EX4300, as well as virtual wireless controller. And then, with the support of these additional platforms and feature, we are now able to support additional use cases like unified topology, virtualization, as well as enhancement in overall workflow automation. Last but not least, we have also added support for mobile application of JunoSpace Network Director. So with that, now ND 1.5 is a true single pane of glass for campus and data centers. Here are the new features we have added in each category. In configuration, we have again added support for QFabric. Tools now allows you to configure a QFabric system. Then we have added support for profile cloning. Profile cloning is nothing but you have configured a profile, and if you want to use it for same profile for some other devices, you can just clone that profile with the support of EX92 as well as EX4300. Now Network Director allows you to configure these devices using Enhanced Layer 2. We have added support for important features like VLANs, firewall filters. All these features can be configured for IPv6. As well as on the monitoring side, we have added support for MAC and ARP table visibility. With that, we are now able to identify a particular host based on its MAC address. Network Director will show you on what physical port that device is connected to. So it really helps to troubleshoot complex issues in the overall network. With the support of VMware vCenter APIs in Network Director, we are now able to show the different vCenter alarms inside Network Director. Additionally, we have added support for features like trace log as well as trace route. And then on the infrastructure side, we have added support for non-stop software upgrade, as well as zero touch provisioning and custom group along with the port group. In custom group, it allows you to configure or basically combine different switches from different buildings or different locations. You can put them in a temporary group and you can do the operations like image upgrade or software configurations. Now let's take a look at 3 use cases or actual demos using Junospace Network Director. In first demo of bulk provisioning, we will configure multiple top of rack switches using Junospace Network Director, and we will show you that how using simple clicks we can configure hundreds of CLIs instead of using the traditional way. In the second use case, visibility into virtual networks, we will show you how Network Director allows you to bridge the gap between physical and virtual networks. And finally, with visibility into QFabric, we will show you how Network Director provides complete visibility inside the QFabric system. So with that, let's take a look at each of these use cases with an actual demo.